You serious? I saw them full up a problem?
Jay, a whole heap of problem, a whole heap.
And the one nice she come to church every Sunday and go and like say all is well enough for your life.
Well, it's very obvious. Your life is not well.
Listen to me, you're trying to put them problem on your head.
Jay, after me done with them, I realize how them come at all are professional.
I can't believe. But I tell you, say not everything what you talk about, you know. Oh.
Well, by the looks of things, this definitely look like one divorce.
If she has saying body can't stand up, and he must say she deep and wide. A time for them left, yes?
Plus, although I charge him, it look like him have no more feelings for her sister Nicey.
Cause sister Carlita get it up. And they can't go and like say out tonight, well, mix up their sea. Me never think so one time, you know. I think say, well, I'm not the saint and angels.
Come on, Janelle. Anything that's a little bit too naive? We're all humans, you know?
Me serious. Because church people go and like say certain things not reach them and them very judgmental.
Well, the truth is I never can even argue with that, you know.
Talking about that, I realize that you avoid the Carlton argument.
Avoid? How did I avoid that?
Because when I ask you, you only tell me say you know him for construction and that was it.
Because that was it?
So you look so shocked when you see him.
Because I was Janelle. Carlton Wallace are the last person me expect to see at your yard.
I last person did expect to see too.
So this seem like say you and Carlton have issues, so I need to know about.
Need?
Well, not need. But I like to know.
When you give me more details about how you know him.
Alright, let me tell you. I was a construction manager, right? And I bid against a few houses and buildings and properties, right? And he was a part of the bids too. But every bid I'm a part of, him win it.
That's so like Carlton.
I see the time when I decided to go outbid him. Rest of people them tell me say, yo, nobody try that because I'm dangerous.
Them never tell a lie.
Carlton and them must come out of the business, yeah, man. But Jay, what was really your association with Carlton?
Sir, how old are you?
Old enough. What are you thinking of it?
Me dey listen for one tick sound.
Boom! Big mistake.
Holy. But you really start with my sister.
Your sister? Let me involve her or something?
So put up them clothes here cause that is for another day.
But when we turn up at your house, sir, unannounced?
You see that house there? You left it for me. I'm a sister, not just for.
Think so generous though?
Generous? Him owe me big time. I know that alone. The money when I trust fund. You want borrow it for invest.
Hold on. Carlton want what? You trust that?
Me? Trust? I not trust people in a Gladstone. I give them own rope for hang themselves.
That include me?
Yeah.
So what if I become your husband? Still not gonna trust me?
Gladstone, hear me, ah.
Janelle,